Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number 7 of the Bordeaux Bliss. I figured I'd do the look I did one time where it got really dark in here and I couldn't really take pictures or anything. Just got done doing another look for the Utopian Dream. But couldn't resist. Got the Nirvana in Bloom. Nirvana, Sunset Bloom, and Lotus Nectar. This is very like orangey yellow warm, which I don't like, but on camera it's beautiful. And this I thought was going to be not so vibrant, but it very is. And this also is very highly pigmented. It reminds me of an eyeshadow, actually. It's that pinky peach. You know what? One moment. Yeah, so I was going to look for what eyeshadows this reminds me of. But it reminds me of a lot of eyeshadows. It does remind me a little bit of that one from Divine Rose. You know what? 1 second. No, Divine Rose. Some Natasha Denona palettes that I have that I've used for highlighter and stuff like that. So it's very dupeable, that's for sure. It kind of reminds me of the Huda Beauty one from her textured rose palette, the first one she did. That peaky pink shift, it's been done in so many highlighters, eyeshadows, yeah. But without further ado, tutorial number 7. Let me go and prep my eyes and we'll get into this tutorial. Alright, so eyes are prep with the Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. Still going strong. I'm about to run out soon. But if I remember correctly, I went in with Cosmic Garnet. Wow. First on a flat brush, if I remember correctly. Keep it like this. It's very stunning. Yeah. Like this and like this. Oh, pretty sure that's what I did. Like the look came out so fire, but then also at the same time I rushed it. So I'm actually kind of glad I get to redo it. Yep. So, placing it down. Oh, hooded eyes, I swear. Mature hooded eyes are the worst. They're not the worst, they're beautiful to have. And let me go ahead and blend out the edges, because I want this to be a smoky smokerson moment. Again, 7 tutorials so far with this palette and this quint. Pardon my. And it's just, oh, it's everything sultry. And especially with the holidays here, New Year's, if you ever have a date night and you just want to be seductive and sexy, I do think this palette is worth it. If this is your color story or your color play or whatever. Perfect. Going back in with the finger, just to reinforce, and just go ahead and blend that up into the brows. Perfect. And then I went in with Platinum Rosewater, Naked Sunset, Naked Sunset. And that is literally going to be the highlight of this inner aspect of the eyes. Like this color story, it just flows in every way simply possible. That makes sense. And then obviously we're going to use this for the brow bone. Oh, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. You know what? I think 2024, Pat McGrath needs to come out with brand new single eyeshadows. I think this needs to be single. the Platinum Rose Water, especially the Ruby Noir, the Amethyst Noir. Like, I feel like a lot of these collections that she did recently, there were a lot of good hits of single eyeshadows. And I feel like that should be the next best thing. And just begin to just blend it out. See how it just all comes together and it just blends into each other shamelessly. Let me go ahead and do a liner real quick, and then we're gonna go on top of the liner with the Amethyst Noir. Ruby Noir. I am all over the place. So, this is where we are at. Obviously, hooded eyes and liquid liner. Not a good combination. But we're going to continue. So, dipping into that. Yep, still have it. Ruby Noir. And then, oh, it's starting to get dark. We are going to go ahead and just literally right along the liner. And just the outer V-ish is where we are going to create that smoky sin. Oh, it's just so saucy every way possible. I think one side might be down more than the other. Oh God, whatever. We're here, we're gonna deal with it, you know, makeup, creativity, but yeah. The color story in this is very, like I said before, very cohesive. They blend into each other very well. I've really had no issue with the distinction between all the shimmers and shades and flecks and such. But I really do love how everybody needs a good smoky palette. A smoky quint, a smoky 10 pan, 5 pan, Natasha Denona. I do think the Natasha Denona Xenos eyeshadow palette, I think is a must. I'm not gonna buy it because I already have my smoky palette from Urban Decay, which really is my go-to for a smoky look. Which I want to redo a... Next year I do want to do more palette focuses on like more of the brands that really got me into makeup. Oh, look at that. Look at that smokiness. It is just giving in every way, shape, and form. Like, that is just... Who is she? Who's that girl I see? Anyways, let me go and do mascara. And then we will see where we are at so far with this look. And then you guys will see the final look. So here is the final look. Oh, the details, all in the details. So, tutorial number 7 of the Bordeaux Bliss. I absolutely adore this quint. For bronzer, I have on the Bronze Nirvana. For highlighter, I have on Platinum Rose Water from the Quint. And for blush, I have on Sunset Bloom. Very, very beautiful shade. Especially for summer. I think this is definitely going to be maybe a new addition to the Divine Blush family, I am assuming. Like I said, the highlighter in that is, I would use it more of as a topper. But tutorial number 7. I mean, I am living for this. It's already starting to get dark, so I need to wrap this up. I said I was gonna show you where we are at, but I figured I'd go ahead and go all the way to the end because I need to take these pictures before it gets dark and get ready for the gym. Supermodel by Charlotte Tilbury, and Opulous Gloss on top. Pale Fire Nectar. Look at, it's just so sultry. I love it. I adore it. Tutorial number 7. Definitely worth, I personally think, your money. It's definitely a must-have for sure. Because, I mean, how can you not? What? Naked Sunset into Cosmic Garnet, liner, and Ruby Noir at the end. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. These are very handy. I do like these. I do like this more for videos and photo shoot, this bronzer. But in real life, it's like a warm orange yellow type of bronzer, which I do not like in real life. But this in real life, I could get behind. See you guys next video. As usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits. I have that TikTok also, TalkTik. And I hope you guys are enjoying this series because I got more new things coming for you next year.